friend of me is Microsoft Surface Duo, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find an app called Recorder and click on it. Now click on this red button to start your recording, but firstly click Allow in this pop-up. You can pause it and unpause it using the same button, but if you wish to end your recording, click on the square one. Now name it however you wish to. And when you're done, choose Save. As you can see, my recording is over here. If you wish to access this list from the main screen of your recorder, you need to click on this icon with 3 lines. If you wish to delete your recorder, you need to hold it, click on this bin icon at the top right corner and choose Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!